Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of Samsung's flip phones, get ready for some exciting updates. A fresh rumor about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 is making waves, and it's bringing some big news, especially for frequent travelers and power users. If you've been following Samsung's yearly upgrades, you might not have expected a major leap in battery life. But Samsung might just have a surprise in store. Major battery upgrade incoming. According to a highly reliable source, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to bring another significant battery upgrade, just like last year's jump from the Z Flip 5 to the Z Flip 6. Yes, you heard that right, two big battery upgrades in a row. This year's model is rumored to feature a 4,300 mAh battery, up from the 4,000 mAh capacity of the Z Flip 6. That was already a major leap from the 3,700 mAh battery in the Z Flip 5. If this rumor turns out to be true, it's clear that Samsung is seriously committed to improving battery life in its Flip series. Fold series left behind? Meanwhile, things look very different on the Fold side of Samsung's foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, Fold 5, Fold 4, and even the Fold 3 have all stuck with the same 4,400 mAh battery, showing no real improvements for years. In fact, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 actually had a slightly larger 4,500 mAh battery. If Samsung finally upgrades the Fold 7's battery, that would be amazing, but at this point, there's no guarantee. Clearly, Samsung is treating its Flip and Fold series very differently when it comes to battery capacity. How does the Z Flip 7 achieve this? Now, let's talk about the technical side of things. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 technically has two separate batteries with a combined rated capacity of just under 3,900 mAh, yet Samsung advertises it as 4,000 mAh. With this same logic, the Z Flip 7's two batteries, rated at 2,985 mAh and 1,189 mAh, should combine for a typical advertised capacity of 4,300 mAh. So, what does this mean for real-world usage? Well, the Z Flip 7 is expected to increase battery capacity by 7 to 8% over its predecessor. This could translate to an actual endurance improvement of 7 to 8% or possibly even more. A new power-efficient processor. The Z Flip 7 isn't just getting a bigger battery, it's also expected to feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, replacing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the Z Flip 6. This next-gen chipset isn't just about performance, it also improves energy efficiency, which means better battery life. So, you're not only getting a bigger battery but also a smarter and more efficient processor that extends your phone's lifespan on a single charge. Will the Z Flip 7 be bigger? Now, you might be wondering, does this mean the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be larger to accommodate the bigger battery? Surprisingly, the answer is no, or at least not in a noticeable way. Leaks and renders suggest that the Z Flip 7 will maintain a similar compact and portable design, keeping the Foldable series' signature appeal while delivering better battery life and improved performance. What this means for the Flip series? With these rumored upgrades, Samsung is making the Flip series an even more attractive choice for users who love compact foldables. A bigger battery, a more efficient processor, and possibly even a slightly larger display, all without sacrificing portability, make the Galaxy Z Flip 7 one of the most exciting upcoming foldables. Of course, these details are still based on leaks and rumors, so we'll have to wait for official confirmation. But if Samsung delivers on these expectations, the Z Flip 7 could be a game changer for anyone looking for a powerful, compact, and all-day battery foldable phone. So, what do you think about these rumored upgrades? Are you excited about the Galaxy Z Flip 7, or are you hoping for bigger changes in the Z Fold series? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.